Hi guys, it's Ellen Holstein, Community Program Manager at Pierce Cedar Creek Institute. For today's activity, we're going to be a scatologist or a tracker. We're going to go get out in that wild and we're going to go see if we can find tracks in scat. So some of the things you want to bring with you when you're doing this, you might want a clipboard so you can actually write things on a piece of paper. You might want a pencil so you can do the writing. You also might want a ruler so you can measure that track and those scat that you find so you know how big it is. Other things you might want to bring out with you, remember our matchup games, they've got the tracks and the scat right there already identified. So maybe you want to bring those out in order to visually see, oh, is this the same or is this different? If you're an older child, I also have included in with this lesson or this activity different dichotomous keys. So a dichotomous key is basically a decision tree. It kind of makes you decide, well, is it like this or is it like that? And it helps you figure out what animal you are actually looking at in terms of its tracks or its scat. It may ask you to measure something, it may ask you to look for different insect parts in it. So check these out. So you can make it into a hunt when you're looking for the scat and tracks. You can also do a little bit of role playing. When you do find something, try to think about, well, what was the animal doing at the time? Was it looking for prey? Was it maybe trying to find a place to rest? So try to pretend to be that animal. Another thing you can do is make a game out of it. If you find scat or tracks from different animals, see if you can find one for almost every letter of the alphabet. Or, again, included on this activity, I have an animal track bingo. So you can mark off all the different animal tracks that you find and see if you get a bingo. These are just some activities to do while you're out in the wild looking for scat and tracks. But remember, you're trying to be a scatologist and a tracker. Think like a scientist would think. And just have fun with it. So go get out there and have fun. Until next time, guys. See ya!